Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm box for the month of December. This is the premium box. I finally got this in. The BoxyCharm boxes have been coming so random. I got my Luxe like I want to say 2 weeks ago, and I just got this box probably like 2 days ago. So all of my videos are pre-filmed, which means that if I said this is 2 days ago, that means it was 4 days ago because I normally like film like a couple of days later after I get my boxes. So nevertheless, you're still getting the video today. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so this is what the premium box looks like. We're about to take a peek and see what's inside. But before I show you guys what I got inside my box, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. Welcome. My name is Aisha. I absolutely love makeup, which is why I decided to start my channel because I love trying out new stuff. And mystery boxes is one way I get to try a lot of cool things for half the price. So if you're interested in mystery boxes, makeup subscription boxes, all that fun stuff, then this channel will be for you because I do a lot of that on here, along with makeup hauls and just makeup videos in general. If that's something you're interested in, I would say consider subscribing to my channel. Sorry, I'm just so excited to unbox this box that I just, can't even talk. And if you like this video, then give me a lovely thumbs up. It definitely helps the channel. And without further ado, I'm just gonna go right into the box. Alrighty, so for your sneak peek, this is what the sneak peek looks like, which is not that interesting. It's just this little foam right here, so nothing breaks. I have another foam right here. So I love that everything is packaged nicely so that way things do not break. Alrighty, so we got a card inside here. And it's giving me like New Year's Eve vibes. It has the prices and everything on here. So let's see here. So this is kind of cool. I got an Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive mask. Is these like face mask or an actual? Let's see here. I'm so nosy. Oh, this is an actual like a. Oh, I thought it was like the jelly mask, but it's an actual like eye mask type of thing. That's the box. And this is the actual packaging. Alrighty. So this retails for $82, which is amazing. This is a full size. And I only paid $35 for this box. So right off the bat, I got my money's worth with just my first item. Alrighty. So the next thing I got is this contraption. I'm thinking this is a fragrance. What do you guys think this is? We'll find out together. Oh, it's an actual like cuticle oil, but all right. So that oil is by the brand The Lifestyle Co. It says 100% cuticle oil. And this retails for $22. I've never heard of this brand before. Is this upside down? Of course it's upside down. Why would it be the right side up? Alrighty. So the next thing I got is, it's called It's So Big Volumizing Mascara by Elizabeth Mott. I love the box. The box is very cute. The mascara looks like so. plain, nothing too crazy. Would it be a makeup subscription box without getting a mascara or a liquid liner or eyeliner? So add that to my pile of mascaras. This retails for $20 for this mascara, volumizing mascara. Ooh.
Super excited for this.
This is some crown brushes. Oh, I love brushes. Absolutely love getting brushes, especially crown brushes. They're always at the makeup show. Like whenever I go to the makeup show, Crown Brushes is always like one of the brands that's always there. And you get their brushes for like 40% off. It's amazing. So let's look at these brushes that they gave us. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eye brushes to play with now. Super, they feel like very good quality, very soft. Super excited to try these brushes. It says all eyes on you. It's like a luxe brush set, 5 pieces. And this retails for $34. So this would be my favorite thing from the box so far. The next thing I got is a Vizia Art Professional Makeup Eyeshadow Palette. This was my choice. That's what the box looks like. Let's see. I've never tried any eyeshadows from the brand, so that's why I took. Ooh. Yes, Vizia Art. I've heard of this brand, but I'm just not sure how to pronounce it. So don't come for me. As I always say, I'm on here because I love makeup, not because like I'm a spelling bee champion and, you know, like, don't come for me. Look how pretty, you guys. I can't wait to try this palette out. Is this all mattes? This is all mattes. I'm so excited. It's very rare you get palettes that's all mattes, but very happy for this. So this is 2 things that I'm really like excited for trying. The next thing I got, oh, how much was that palette? That palette was $80. $80. Wow. It says this is their all-time best-selling palette. The iconic Covate Professional Eyeshadow Palette can be used for shading, highlighting, and defining eyes, eyebrows, and contour of the face. A true artist palette. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited. Alrighty, so this is a Kosas 10-second eyeshadow. So I'm guessing this is like a liquid shadow, maybe? Ooh. Yes, I'm excited. This box was not too shabby. Honestly, I'm here for this box. I'm here for it. I am here for it. This is a liquid eyeshadow. It says 10-second eyeshadow, a clean, water-based, fast-drying, crease-resistant formula for buildable, high-impact color that stays all day. This was $28. So I way surpassed my $35 for this box. This is what it looks like. I'm super excited for this. Let's see how this looks on. This is perfect for my skin tone. Oh, this is beautiful. Like if you're in a rush to do your eye makeup, look how pretty. I mean, I feel like this will be pretty on darker skin tone. I don't know like if you're like lighter, if you're really gonna like this, but I love this. This is beautiful. I'm here for it. I'm here for, see, when I like my box, see, I start dancing and everything, which is rare. So overall, I love this box. This box was amazing. I got a liquid eyeshadow, which the color looks beautiful on me. I think I'm going to wear this tomorrow. Just dust this all over my eye like a quick 1, 2, 3. Ooh, and it dries fast. Like, I'm super excited for this. I love the palette. I loved my brushes. Your girl could always use some mascara. I mean, I guess I could always use some cuticle oil too, even though it's like kind of like all over the place. But I'm here for it. And then Elemis, everybody loves the Elemis Pro Collagen line. So I don't really do eye masks, like the actual like creamy formula. I normally do like the patches. So this will be interesting to use and try out. But I definitely will try out because everybody loves the Elemis line. So overall, like I want to say this box was like a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
Very happy. So good job, BoxyCharm. The premium box I loved. Loves it. What did you guys think about my box? What did you guys get? Thank you guys for watching. And I'm excited. I have a couple more boxes I have to do. I'm a little behind. I almost made it to the end of the month with having all my boxes done before December, but I didn't make it. I have to still do my Medusas makeup for the month of December, and I have to do my my Allure beauty box, and I have my Walmart beauty box too that's in another room, which I'm not gonna go out and get, but I have to do that as well. So your girl's a little behind, but thank you for bearing with me. The holiday season is finally done. This was like the last crazy like week, and I think we're gonna be back to normal now. So I can start pumping out all these videos and being consistent for you guys. Like I said before in my past videos, thank you for everyone who's been patient with me, and realizing that like I do have a full-time job, and it's not like I have like a part-time job, full-time job with a highly elevated job role, overseeing a lot of people, overseeing managers, overseeing like associates. It's a big job responsibility. So your girl was busy. Your girl was booked and busy. But things will die down moving forward. So I'll have more time for you guys. And like I always say, I do this because it's just like a passion of mine. Even when I'm tired and I come home from work, I still film for you guys because I love you guys. Love you guys. I work today. Your girl is shot. And guess where I'm at right now? Filming. I'm like, your girl's tired, but she's gonna film. I'm gonna film 3 videos back to back, and then I'm gonna finally go to sleep because I love you guys. Love you guys to pieces. So I'll see you guys all in my next video. Oh, hold on. Oh, my box just fell. Hold on, let me put my stuff down so I can give you guys an official kiss goodbye.